Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to insert PDF files directly into your offers in pCon.basket, for example, as cover pages or attachments. This saves you time, since you no longer have to merge documents afterward. At the same time, it ensures your customer communication stays consistent, professional, and complete. Let's say you want to add a cover page to an offer, a title image or a short project description. At the end, you might also want to include attachments such as certificates, planning documents, or your general terms and conditions. For exactly this purpose, pCon.basket allows you to place PDF files precisely where they belong in your offer. To do this, you first need to define a folder on your computer in the settings. This directory must contain the PDF files you want to insert. In the report area, you can then specify under cover sheet or attachment which document should be included. The order in which the documents appear in your final offer follows the order listed on the left-hand side of the interface. The cover page forms the first impression of your offer and summarizes the most important information in a visually appealing way. In the example, you can see how such a cover page can be structured and what kind of impact it has in the final document. Attachments. At the end of the offer, these can include certificates, additional project information, or your company's terms and conditions. For demonstration purposes, we'll use a sample PDF containing Eastern Graphic standard terms and conditions. If you want to replace or remove a document, simply select it in the list and use the options above to edit or delete it. After inserting the PDF, update the document to immediately check how it appears in the offer. This way, you always have full control over which additional materials are included in your final offer. With the option to insert PDF files directly into your offers, you can create complete and professional documents quickly, reliably, and without any post-processing. You save time, minimize potential errors, and ensure that your customers receive all relevant information conveniently in a single file. Give it a try. If you'd like to learn how to automatically translate article texts, check out our video on AI translation in pCon.basket. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave us a like. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.